and roast duck breast. An animal product is any material derived from the body of an animal. Examples are fat, flesh, blood, milk, eggs, and lesser-known products, such as isinglass and rennet. 1. Animal byproducts, as defined by the USDA, are products harvested or manufactured from livestock other than muscle meat. 2. In the EU, animal byproducts, ABPs, are defined somewhat more broadly as materials from animals that people do not consume. 3. Thus, chicken eggs for human consumption are considered byproducts in the US but not France, whereas eggs destined for animal feed are classified as animal byproducts in both countries. This does not in itself reflect on the condition, safety, or wholesomeness of the product. Animal byproducts are carcasses and parts of carcasses from slaughterhouses, animal shelters, zoos and veterinarians, and products of animal origin not intended for human consumption, including catering waste. These products may go through a process known as rendering to be made into human and non-human foodstuffs, fats, and other material that can be sold to make commercial products such as cosmetics, paint, cleaners, polishes, glue, soap, and ink. The sale of animal byproducts allows the meat industry to compete economically with industries selling sources of vegetable protein. 4. The word animals includes all species in the biological kingdom Animalia. For example, insects, shrimp, and oysters are animals. Generally, products made from fossilized or decomposed animals, such as petroleum formed from the ancient remains of marine animals, are not considered animal products. Crops grown in soil fertilized with animal remains are rarely characterized as animal products. Several diets prohibit the inclusion of some animal products, including vegetarian, kosher, and halal. Other diets, such as veganism and the raw vegan diet, exclude any material of animal origin. 5. In international trade legislation, the terminology products of animal origin, POAO, is used. 6. Contents. Slaughterhouse waste, animal byproduct, and pet food, non-food animal products. See also references. Further reading. Slaughterhouse waste. Slaughterhouse waste is defined as animal body parts cut off in the preparation of carcasses for use as food. This waste can come from several sources, including slaughterhouses, restaurants, stores, and farms. In the UK, slaughterhouse waste is classed as Category 3 risk waste in the animal byproducts regulations, with the exception of condemned meat, which is classed as Category 2 risk. Animal byproduct and pet food. The leftover pieces that comes from the process of stripping meat from animals tends to get used for different purposes. One of them is to put these parts into pet food. Many large, well-known pet food brands use animal byproducts as protein sources in their recipes. This can include animal feet, livers, lungs, heads, spleens, etc. Food. Blood, especially in the form of blood sausage bone, including bone char, bone meal, etc. Broths and stocks are often created with animal fat, bone, and connective tissue. Carmine, also known as cochineal, food dye, casein, found in milk and cheese. Civet oil, food flavoring additive. Dairy products, for example, milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. Eggs, gelatin, honeydew, secretion, isinglass, used in clarification of beer and wine. L-cysteine from human hair and pig bristles, used in the production of biscuits and bread. Lard, kopi luwak, and black ivory coffee meat, including fish, poultry, and game. Rennet, commonly used in the production of cheese. Shellac, swiftlet's nest, made of saliva, whey, found in cheese and added to many other products. Non-food animal products. Animal fiber, ambergris, beeswax, blood, and some blood substitutes. Blood used for transfusions is always human in origin, though some blood substitutes are made from animal sources. Many diagnostic laboratory tests use animal or human-sourced reagents. Casein, used in plastics, clothing, cosmetics, adhesives, and paint. Castoreum, secretion of the beaver, used in perfumes and possibly in food flavoring. Coral rock ejaculate, used in artificial insemination. Feathers for gallstones, from livestock for traditional Chinese medicine. Horn, including antlers, etc. Ivory, lanolin, limulus, amoeba, lysate, A chemical in horseshoe crab blood used to detect bacterial endotoxin. Leather manure, mink oil, musk pearl are mother of pearl, scales, silk sponges, tallow. May be used in food and soap. Tortoiseshell urine venom. Used to produce human and veterinary antivenin. Whale oil, wool. See also. Advanced meat recovery, animal by products regulations, animal euthanasia, animal industrial complex, animal slaughter, biodegradable waste, boiling down, food quality, food safety, list of waste types, meat and bone meal, meat extenders, mechanically separated meat, pink slime, potted meat, food product speciesism, slaughterhouse waste, spam, food